नमस्ते बच्चों। आज हम जो कहानी पढ़ेंगे उसका नाम है बस की यात्रा। बस की यात्रा कहानी का लेखक है हरिशंकर परसाई जी। बस की यात्रा का मतलब है ट्रैवल बाय बस। हम 5 मित्रों ने तय किया कि शाम 4 बजे की बस से चले। सो ऑथर and his 4 friends, they have decided that they will travel by bus by the evening. By 4 o'clock they will go by bus. पन्ना से इसी कंपनी की बस सतना के लिए घंटे भर बाद मिलती है, जो जबलपुर की ट्रेन मिला देती है। सो फ्रॉम पन्ना is a place, from पन्ना they will get a bus, घंटे भर बाद मिलती है। So after 1 hour they will get a bus and they will go to Jabalpur, they will go to Satna, and from there they will get a train to go to Jabalpur. So they want to go by the bus which will reach till Satna, and they will get a train to go to Jabalpur. सुबह घर पहुंच जाएंगे. So early morning they will go to their home where they want to go. No, there they will go. हम में से 2 को सुबह काम पर हाजिर होना था, इसलिए वापसी का यही रास्ता अपनाना जरूरी था. So early morning from them, no, I told already that authors 5 friends five friends are going to Jabalpur, and 2 of them has to come back early morning. So while coming back also they have decided that they will come by the same way, like by this bus only they will come. इसलिए वापसी का यही रास्ता अपनाना जरूरी था. So same way they chose to come back. लोगों ने सलाह दी कि समझदार आदमी इस शाम वाली बस से सफर नहीं करते. So people said that Salah means advice. So people advised them not to go by this evening bus. क्या रास्ते में डाकू मिलते हैं? So author asked that why are you saying not to go by this bus? Will we meet robber on the way? नहीं, बस डाकिन है. So लोगों ने बस को डाकिन कहा. डाकिन मतलब विच, WITCH. डाकिन मतलब विच. So लोगों ने बोला कि इस बस से सफर न करने के लिए, क्योंकि बस डाकिन है. देखिए बस की हालत. बस को देखा तो श्रद्धा उमड़ पड़ी. When they saw that bus, they had a respect for that bus. खूब वयोवृद्ध थी. वयोवृद्ध means aged, too much aged. That bus is very old. सदियों के अनुभव के निशान लिए हुए थी. So अनुभव means experience. सदियों for long time. It has long time experience. निशान लिए हुए थे. निशान means symbols. So they saw that bus and they could understand that it is experienced bus and it is there for long time. लोग इसलिए इससे सफर नहीं करना चाहते कि वृद्धावस्था में इसे कष्ट होगा. So people doesn't like to travel by this bus because by seeing itself they could understand that it is very old. वृद्धावस्था means old age. इसे कष्ट होगा. If they will travel by this bus will get pain because it is very old. ये बस पूजा के योग्य थी. So we should do puja for this bus. We should keep as God and we should do puja. इस पर सवार कैसे हुआ जा सकता है? How can we travel by this bus? Because bus was very old. बस कंपनी के एक हिस्सेदार भी उसी बस से जा रहे थे. बस कंपनी के एक हिस्सेदार मीन्स पार्टनर ऑफ दैट सेम बस कंपनी was also traveling by that same bus. हमने उनसे पूछा, ये बस चलती भी है? So author asked him whether this bus will move or not. वो बोले, चलती क्यों नहीं है जी, अभी चलेगी. So that हिस्सेदार told that why not, it will go now itself, it will start now itself. हमने कहा वही तो हम देखना चाहते हैं, अपने आप चलती है. So they wanted to see that whether this bus will go on its own or not. हाँ जी, और कैसे चलेगी? So Hisseda told that yes, otherwise how it will go? It will go on its own. By seeing the condition of bus, author was having some doubt that whether this bus will go properly or not. But Hisseda told that no, no problem, it will go on its own. गजब हो गया, ऐसी बस अपने आप चलती है. So they were surprised by hearing that this bus, condition of that bus was very bad, right? So this bus will go on its own. हम आगा पीछा करने लगे. So they were hesitating, actually they were hesitating to sit in that bus. डॉक्टर मित्र ने कहा डरो मत, चलो, बस अनुभवी है, नई नवेली बसों से ज्यादा विश्वसनीय है, हमें बेटों की तरह प्यार से गोद में लेकर चलेगी. So one doctor mitra, one friend was there who was doctor, told that डरो मत, चलो, don't be afraid, let's go. बस अनुभवी है, बस इज एक्सपीरियंस्ड बस, नई नवेली बसों से ज्यादा विश्वसनीय है. So new bus we cannot trust, but this bus has experience, it is old bus, so we can trust this bus. हमें बेटों की तरह प्यार से गोद में लेकर चलेगी. It will treat us as its son. So the bus will take us on its lap, and she will take care of us like a mother. So we need not hesitate, we can sit in that. हम बैठ गए. जो छोड़ने आए थे वे इस तरह देख रहे थे जैसे अंतिम विदा दे रहे हैं. So author and his friends, no, they sat in the bus. Those who came to see off, those who came with them, they जो छोड़ने आए थे वे इस तरह देख रहे थे जैसे अंतिम विदा दे रहे हैं. Maybe they were looking at author and his friends in such a way as if this is the last time they are seeing them. Whether they will see them once again or not, that doubt they had. उनकी आंखें कह रही थी आना जाना तो लगा ही रहता है, आया है सो जाएगा, राजा रंक फकीर, आदमी को कुछ करने के लिए एक निमित्त चाहिए. So their eyes were telling them that आना जाना तो लगा ही रहता है. आना जाना means here it is, author is talking about birth and death. So it is continuous, continuously birth and death will happen in this earth. आया है सो जाएगा. If once you have taken birth in this world, definitely we have to die. राजा रंक फकीर, whether you are king, whether you are a poor person, that doesn't matter. So if you are born in this world, you have to die one day. आदमी को कुछ करने के लिए एक निमित्त चाहिए. So if you want to do something, you need some mediator, some purpose you need to do your work. So here author's friends, those who came along with them till bus stop, they were looking at them in such a way as if they will not be able to see them afterwards. So this is the last time they are seeing them. Why? Because the condition of bus was very bad and they are going to travel by that bus. Anytime anything can happen. So they are saying that आना जाना तो लगा ही रहता है. So we need not bother about that. We have taken birth in this world means we have to die one day. So if something will happen like that, don't worry. इंजन सचमुच स्टार्ट हो गया. So as the हिस्सेदार told, no, that engine will start, bus will start on its own. So सचमुच इंजन स्टार्ट हो गया. ऐसा जैसे सारी बस ही इंजन है और हम इंजन के भीतर बैठे हैं. So engine started, but they felt that whole bus is like engine. It's shaking in that way and it became hot in that way. So engine will be hot, right, when our vehicle will move. So in the same way, they felt that author and other people, those who were sitting in the bus, they felt that maybe full bus is engine. कांच बहुत कम बचे थे. कांच इज ग्लास. ग्लास विल बी देयर इन द विंडो, राइट? सो बहुत कम कांच बचे थे. वेरी लेस ग्लासेस वेर रिमेनिंग इन द विंडो. जो बचे थे उनसे हमें बचना था. So remaining glasses, they were scared of remaining glasses because it is dangerous, right? So author is saying that the glasses were very less. It was remaining, a little bit was remaining, and we have to be careful from those glass. उसे हमें बचना था. हम फौरन खिड़की से दूर सरक गए. So they came little far from the window. They sat little far from the window. इंजन चल रहा था. It was running. बस was running. हमें लग रहा था कि हमारी सीट के नीचे इंजन है. They felt that maybe engine is there under their seat. बस सचमुच चल पड़ी और हमें लगा कि ये गांधी जी के असहयोग और सविनय अवज्ञा आंदोलनों के वक्त अवश्य जवान रही होगी. So it is that old bus. Author is feeling that maybe this bus is running from Gandhiji's time. So उसे ट्रेनिंग मिल चुकी थी. हर हिस्सा दूसरे से असहयोग कर रहा था. Means non-cooperation. It was non-cooperation movement, right? Gandhiji's non-cooperation movement. We all know about that. So author is saying that it got trained at that time, because at that time it started moving, and because of Gandhiji's movement, no, it got trained that it has to be like it was not at all cooperating with each other's part. So सविनय अवज्ञा आंदोलन के दौर से गुजर रही थी. It was not at all listening to other parts. सविनय अवज्ञा आंदोलन के दौर से गुजर रही थी. सीट का बॉडी से असहयोग चल रहा था. सीट बस सीट. Bus seat was not at all cooperating with the body. कभी लगता सीट बॉडी को छोड़कर आगे निकल गई है. So sometimes they felt that maybe seat came out from the body, from the structure. Seat has a structure, right? Steel structure. So seat was coming out again and again from its structure. कभी लगता कि सीट को छोड़कर बॉडी आगे भागी जा रही है. So sometimes they felt that seat is going front, and sometimes they felt that body is going front. 8-10 मील चलने पर सारे भेदभाव मिट गए. सो व्हेन दे पास्ड 8 to 10 miles, देन सारे भेदभाव मिट गए. ये समझ में नहीं आता था कि सीट पर हम बैठे हैं या सीट हम पर बैठी है. So they were not able to understand that whether they were sitting on the seat or seat was on them. एकाएक बस रुक गई. मालूम हुआ कि पेट्रोल की टैंकी में छेद हो गया है. So suddenly bus was stopped, and they came to know that पेट्रोल की टंकी में छेद हो गया है. ड्राइवर ने बाल्टी में पेट्रोल निकालकर उसे बगल में रखा और नली डालकर इंजन में भेजने लगा. So what they already know that some damage is there in tanky, so they kept one bucket. So that what is that petrol came in that bucket, and what happened after some times, driver, what he did, he took that bucket, kept one pipe in that, and again he was sending the petrol in the engine. अब मैं उम्मीद कर रहा था कि थोड़ी देर बाद बस कंपनी के हिस्सेदार इंजन को निकालकर गोद में रख लेंगे और उसे नली से पेट्रोल पिलाएंगे. So he was feeling that this hissedar, no, partner of that bus, what he will do, he will keep that engine on his lap, and he will give the petrol through a pipe to that engine. जैसे माँ बच्चे के मुंह में दूध की शीशी लगाती है. So as mother will keep milk bottle, mother will give milk bottle to the child. Like that, that like that कंपनी के हिस्सेदार will also do the same thing. बस की रफ्तार अब 15-20 मील हो गई थी। मुझे उसके किसी हिस्से पर भरोसा नहीं था। सो इट वॉज नॉट एट ऑल गोइंग फास्ट, इट बिकेम वेरी स्लो। मुझे उसके किसी हिस्से पर भरोसा नहीं था। ऑथर वॉज नॉट एट ऑल एबल टू ट्रस्ट एनी पार्ट ऑफ द बस। ब्रेक फेल हो सकता है, स्टीयरिंग टूट सकता है, एनीथिंग कैन हैपन। प्रकृति के दृश्य बहुत लुभावने थे। नेचर वॉज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल। दोनों तरफ हरे भरे पेड़ थे जिन पर पक्षी बैठे थे। सो टू साइड्स देयर वर सो मेनी ट्रीज ऑन विच बर्ड्स वर सिटिंग। मैं हर पेड़ को अपना दुश्मन समझ रहा था। ही वॉज फीलिंग दैट ऑल द ट्रीज आर हिज एनिमी। जो भी पेड़ आता डर लगता कि इससे बस टकराएगी। Whatever trees he saw, he felt that definitely this bus will go and dash that tree. वह निकल जाता तो दूसरे पेड़ का इंतजार करता। If that will pass, then he will wait for another tree which will come, and he was very much scared of that tree. झील दिखती तो सोचता कि इसमें बस गोता लगा जाएगी। So if he will see some lake or pond, he felt as if that bus will go and dash in that. एकाएक फिर बस रुकी। सडनली बस स्टॉप्ड। ड्राइवर ने तरह तरह की तरकीबें की पर वो चली नहीं। सविनय अवज्ञा आंदोलन शुरू हो गया था। कंपनी के हिस्सेदार कह रहे थे बस तो फर्स्ट क्लास है जी, ये तो इत्तेफाक की बात है। सो ड्राइवर ट्राइड अ लॉट बट दैट बस डिड नॉट मूव एट ऑल। Company's हिस्सेदार told that bus condition is first class. It has no problem. ये तो इत्तेफाक की बात है। It happens. Suddenly it stopped. It happens sometimes. It is nothing to worry. क्षीण चांदनी में वृक्षों की छाया के नीचे वह बस बड़ी दयनीय लग रही थी। So it became night. So in moonlight he saw that bus. It was standing under the tree, and author felt that the condition of bus is very bad. लगता जैसे कोई वृद्धा थक कर बैठ गई हो। He felt by seeing the bus that an old lady became very tired and sat under the tree. हमें ग्लानि हो रही थी कि बेचारी पर लद कर हम चले आ रहे हैं। So he felt bad that they gave that much trouble to that bus. अगर इसका प्राणांत हो गया तो इस बियाबान में हमें इसकी अंत्येष्टि करनी पड़ेगी। So if it will die here, means if it will not move from here, so they have to do all the rituals for this bus. Antyeshti means after death whatever rituals will do, no, that is called Antyeshti Kriya. So here author is saying that bus became old, right? So if it will die here, they have to do all the rituals here itself. Thank you children. Next part we will read in next video.